This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome back, everyone. Today I'll show you my upgraded ghost typing tool for beginners. It helps you improve your typing speed by practicing with programming code. So, without wasting any time, open your browser and visit my YouTube channel. Then click the link in my bio, where you'll find a TeraBox link. Simply click on it to download the tool. Now click on Tool Market. Then click on Windows Software. At the top, you'll find the toolbox. Simply choose the toolbox and save it directly to your TeraBox. Then click Go to Cloud to open your TeraBox storage. Once you're there, select the file and click the download button. Wait a few moments for the download to finish. The download is complete. Now go back to your desktop. Extract the zip file, open the folder, and run the tool. If Windows shows a security warning, click Run. If you see the blue Windows protected your PC screen, click More Info, then Run anyway. Once the tool opens, the first thing you need to do is choose a folder for your database. I'll use the same folder as the tool, then reopen the tool, and you'll see a cool bootloader. Now you can create a user. Simply enter your name here, then click the Create button. Now you can see the simple and easy-to-use interface. Click Continue to start typing. That's not too hard. If you keep trying again and again, you'll get better. Now click on Menu. Here you'll see the Add User button. Click on it and enter another username. Once you create a new user, it will automatically appear here with a welcome message, such as Welcome, Anon. At the top of the screen, you can see your level and score. Now let's switch users. Right now I'm using Anon. If I click on Ghost, it changes to Welcome, Ghost. Now I'm logged in as Ghost. If you click Delete User, you can remove the currently selected user. Next, open Settings. Here you can change the database path. Choose the difficulty level Easy, Normal, or Hard, or unmute the sound effects. At the bottom, you'll find my profile links. If you close the tool and open the selected folder, you'll find your database file. Open it to see your username, level, score, and other saved information. You can also edit the file if you want. This is the configuration file, where you can view and modify settings such as the database path, the last active user, the selected difficulty level, and the sound preferences. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the Ghost typing tool useful for improving your coding typing speed and overall productivity. Unfortunately, I lost my previous YouTube channel, so your support on this new channel would mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting tool and tutorial.